Factoring polynomial, difference of cubes. Factor 64x to the power of 9 minus 27y to the power of 6. So I hope you remember the formula for difference of cubes. Let me write that for you now here, right? So we'll write here as, I should have written a cube minus, let me write x cube, doesn't matter. Let me write like this. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times a square. When it is minus here, this becomes plus ab plus b square. So that's the formula for a cube minus b cube, right? Remember that if it is plus here, then this remains plus and that becomes minus. This is a similar formula, correct? So we are going to use this formula to factor 64 x to the power of 9 minus 27y to the power of 6. Now look at it like this. 64x to the power of 9. Let me rewrite this here. 64x to the power of 9 minus 27y to the power of 6, right? How can I write this as a cube? Now cube is, 4 cube is 64. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. So I can write this as 4 cube, right? So it could be written as 4 cube is 64 and x 9 is 3 cube. Do you see that? 9 is 3 cube. So I can write as this. Do you understand? 9. So 9 is 3 cube. Similarly, 27 can be written as 2 cube, right? And y to the power of 2 cube will give me y to the power of 6. Do you understand? So basically what I'm trying to show you here is how to write your equation in terms of difference of cubes. So basically it becomes 4x cube whole cube, do you see, minus 2y square whole cube. Correct? If you compare with the equation, we can say, well, here a is equal to 4x cube and b is equals to 2y square in the formula, right? So we'll use that property and then factor it out, correct? So let me use this side to show you what I'm doing, and let me now factor this. So we have this equation which I'm rewriting 64x to the power of 9. I'm rewriting 64 as 4x cube to the power of 3. So if I open this up, I get 4 cube, right, which is 64, and x to the power of 9. Do you see? So it is equivalent. Minus, for 27, I'm writing as 3y square for y6 and whole cube. Do you see that? So what I wrote is the same factor as difference of cubes. Now I can use the formula a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b. So what is a for me? A is 4x cube. So a minus b, that is 4x cube minus b is 3y square times a square. Now what is square of this? 4 square is 16. X cube square is x to the power of 6, 3 times 2, right? 4x square. Now when this is negative, this is positive. Multiply these two, write the center term, ab. So 4 times 3 is 12, x cube, y square, plus square of the b term, which is 3y square. So 3 square is 9 and y square is y to the power of 4. So that is how we are going to factor it, okay? So this is the answer for this question. So remember that it is looking like a cube, so write it first as a cube and then factor it out. So that is the solution. I hope you understand how we got it. Think like this. This is a. So a for us is 4x cube. I'm just trying to explain you. B is equals to 3y square, and the formula used is a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, correct? So a is 4x cube, so I wrote 4x cube here. Do you see that? B is 3y square, b 3y square minus, do you see that? A square, 4x cube whole square, 4 square is 16, x cube square is x to the power of 6. AB, multiply these two terms, write them here. Do you see that? and then square of b, which is 9y to the power of 4. So that's how you do factoring of cubes. Okay, thank you.